Hey beautiful people, welcome and welcome back. It's me, Greyglamma, GGM. I'm going to show you things you can do with your avocado, how to get the most out of your avocado. Meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment and share the video so that others who follow me will watch my videos and support me. The only ingredients we need is avocado. And I'm going to start by making cold pressed avocado oil. 100% avocado oil, cold press method. Remove the avocado flesh. I have removed all the flesh and this is what it remains. You know, avocado has 3 parts: the flesh, the skin and the seed. We don't throw anything away. We will make use of all these parts to get ingredients for our skin, for our hair and for our health. Then you mash the flesh of the avocado. Spread it on a tray or on a clean surface and allow it to dry away from the sun, from direct sunlight. This is the first day. The first day you turn it so that it doesn't get dry, so that the top part does not dry before the ones underneath. The second day, repeat the same process, and then you can now see that it is getting drier and smaller in quantity. This is the 4th day. Normally it takes 3 days, but this week it has been raining, so we are not having enough air that was coming into the house. And then this is the 5th day. Remove the avocado from the tray and put it into a cheese bag or anything that can help you to squeeze out the oil. This is not a very pleasant process because the thing really peppered my wrist. But I had to do it. I got little oil from this. That is why it is 100% avocado oil, because there is no oil that is mixed with it. No carrier oil. Yeah, easy, very easy. You have 100% avocado oil. Now we are going to do the hot method. The hot method, you will need a carrier oil. Here I'm using sweet almond oil. You can use coconut oil, even though it is not advisable because the aroma or the smell of the coconut will overshadow the whole oil and you won't like it. So it's advisable to use almond oil or sunflower oil. Now you fry the avocado in the oil until it dries, until it's no longer wet. Then the same process, you pour it into a cheesecloth and squeeze. Not a strainer, rather a cheesecloth. You squeeze it to bring out the oil, and now you have your 50% avocado oil. 50% because it has carrier oil. It has another oil with it. It is not 100% avocado oil. You can use this oil in your hair, on your face, or this 100% avocado oil you can use it to cook or to enjoy your salad. Here we have it. Now we are coming to the skin and the seed. I told you we don't throw anything away in the avocado. You cut them into bits Allow it to dry away from the sun, from the direct sunlight, and then you break it down. You grind it and keep it. Preserve it. You can use it in your hair. 1 tablespoon in water. Use it for rinsing your hair. It gives your hair shine and it makes the hair very strong. So we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you for staying. Thank you for watching. Bye.